I'm Nigel Shadbolt and I am the visiting Donald Gordon Fellow here at STIAS. I'm a professor of computer science at the University of Oxford, where I'm also the principal of one of the colleges of Oxford University, Jesus College. So my research in general is in the area of what we call human-centered artificial intelligence. I've been working in the field for a number of decades. In fact, beginning at the end of the 1970s, all the way through the 80s, 90s, noughties, and into the 2000s. And through that time, I've worked on systems as varied as knowledge-based systems to help advise and design chemical plants, to systems that diagnose images that relate to breast cancer, through to building systems that deploy artificial intelligence on the web, the so-called semantic web. I've also worked in the area of open data, and together with Tim Berners-Lee, we founded the Open Data Institute in 2012. And we helped open up a whole range of data from the UK public services and government that's been made available for people to use and build new services. My public lecture is called Standing on the Edge of Error, Science in the Age of AI. And what I'm going to try and explain is how all science is about trying to improve our understanding of the world. We do that by setting up experiments. We do that by building fantastic new instruments. There is engineering as well as science. I'll talk about the developments of our engineering and science as we've developed a better understanding of the world. And then I will talk about how our latest tools from artificial intelligence help us make sense of the world around us. But I'll also talk about some of the dangers, the problems of using these AI tools, where the error in these systems might reside, and how we can deal with that. How we can deal with the fact these tools can be used to generate misinformation and disinformation, that we can use the tools to track that down. And finally, I'll talk about its use in the development of the Adam-Task corridor, in projects which try and pull a whole range of data together, answer questions about how a development might occur, how it might impact an environment, what we need to support and sustain. So I hope by the end of the lecture you'll get a real sense of how AI is progressing and how it can help us understand the world better around us, as long as we understand the nature of the tools that AI offers us.